Inside this box from ZZP is something I've been wanting for a very long time, almost as long as I've had the car. I've just now made the decision to buy it. I think it's going to be great. It's going to be a great modification to Bonnie, and I'm very excited to get it installed. And that's what you're going to see in this video. My car has the DNA motoring catback exhaust. However, I cut the muffler off of it and I welded a tip on so it sticks out of the bumper. And then I also have a shorty header, so this is going to go really good with a shorty header. I'm excited to show you what it is, so let's start opening it. Loosen these 3 collector bolts right here, nuts and bolts. That is going to be a 14mm wrench and a 14mm socket. Use some lubricant on them because they might be a little rusted. Mine are. You saw me get those 2 nuts off that bolt on the top and the right side. For the left side, the driver's side, you actually have to, or I think it's easier to get under the car and do it from there. On the shorty header, if you have the bung plug or an O2 plug, it's just really hard to get around there. So I'm going to lift the car up, get under there, and undo that last bolt. And then we can start on the catback section. So now you can see the whole collector up there. Right about there is where that bolt is we're trying to get to. I had to get creative with it. I had to go up top and put the wrench on the nut from the top and then come down here and put the ratchet on. All I did was I just twisted the ratchet until the wrench hit something, and then that's what broke it loose. The wrench, I wasn't even holding the wrench. So that's a good deal. I'm going to loosen this up and then we can move on. I had to break out the impact gun because these nut and bolts that DNA Motoring sent me are just trash. They were stripping and they were just super soft for some reason. So I'm going to go pick up just 14mm bolt and nut and washers from AutoZone or something, because I can't deal with that anymore. That was a real nightmare. So I had to cut the bolt with a Sawzall, and it's finally free. I'm happy now. Then we can take the downpipe out. It's a boy. I just got both O2 sensors transferred over to the new downpipe, and I also bought this O2 defouler bung. Without this, I would potentially get a check engine light, so that's why I bought it. And then I have all the gaskets, both from ZZP as well, and I got new bolts for the exhaust since I had to cut one. Now it's time to put it in Bonnie. I think this time I'm going to put the nut on the back side of the header instead of the front, because I feel like that was a little too hard to get it undone. I'm going to maneuver this back up here and I'll show you. Bonnie's on the ground. I have the downpipe all bolted in, all the sensors plugged in, all the gaskets are correct. I think it is time to start it. And it's 9 o'clock at night right now, so I'm excited to start it. Let's start it. We should start it. Let's start it. Guys, it's time to start it, and I am super excited. I've never done anything like this before because it's my first car, so I'm excited to see how it sounds. Let's see. Oh my gosh! That's so much louder. I'm scared now. Okay, I think it's time for a couple revs, just like we did in the before clip. Okay, so maybe I need a resonator now. That was pretty raspy. Well, let's go for a drive, shall we? Really great. It needs a resonator now, but
I can't see you.
It's okay. Ooh, the cackles sound so good. Oh my god! This is so good. Did you hear it echo? Oh my god. Ow! Yeah, there's no getting on it in town anymore. I felt like I got punched. This is good. Should we do the tunnel run?
Oh boy.
I'm not.
You can't control yourself.
I think you're right. Oh my god! That made my chest rumble. You can probably hear that from friggin' Riverside. Okay, that was great. But I'm definitely not keeping it like that. I'm going to be ordering a resonator, probably from Vibrant, the ultra quiet resonator, because I know Like, I mean, TJ Hunt, he used it on his BRZ, and it was a dramatic difference. So that's probably what I'm going to order, and just some exhaust clamps because I don't have a welder. But I'm going to be ordering that within the next couple weeks. It is very, very raspy. That's why I'm ordering the resonator. I don't want anyone to think I'm going to keep it like this, because that's just crazy. I'm very happy I pulled the trigger on this item and make my exhaust more unique sounding, and with the resonator I'm going to get and all that. So that's all I have for today. I hope you guys really liked this video. I know I did, because it was so exciting. It was really, really exciting to make, and I had a lot of fun filming. See you guys in the next one. I should have my roof spoiler finished and on the car in the next video. So see you guys. It'd help if my knife was sharp. My camera. I punched my camera. That was hot. I shouldn't have done that. I'm stupid. I am stupid, stupid, stupid. Oh, my camera.